myself, Mr. Srinivas Mana Pragada. I'm an NRI and the chairman and the CEO and the managing director of LabCube group of companies. I basically from Hyderabad, and having worked as an architect and planner and associate professor in JNT University, later I went to US to explore my opportunities in US. But there was a lot of need, what that we can give back to our motherland. At this pandemic situation, there's lots and lots of thoughts that arise in every man and mankind. What are the things that we can do to protect ourselves and our community? In this front, there's lots and lots of encouragement that have been taken with my well-wishers, my advisors, and a group of friends and families who are really did not know what to do in this pandemic situation. And there was an incident where when we were walking outside in US, people has to wear their masks, they have to be sanitized, they have to use all the precautionary products that can protect themselves from this deadliest pandemic situation and this COVID virus. In this front, a thought came in my mind, how that we can come out with different products. There are a lot of products outside where people have become multi-millionaires and billionaires, making such products. But our main motive, a LabCube main motive, is to serve the community, and also to run the community, we need to empower certain people in the community, not only in US, but in India and around the world. It's a need for this kind of products that every person has to use and be a person that can save himself and save his fellow human beings. In this regard, I tell you, all the press and media here, LabCube is just started in this pandemic situation, but we want to take it further with lots and lots of protective kind of measures that we can educate the human race and to protect themselves. Because if you see, this virus which came last year and it's been continuing, there is a second strain that's been evolved recently, and there is a need to protect us. Wearing masks, washing your hands, sanitizing yourself, using whatever the device that can protect you in this situation. So in this regard, there's lots and lots of products that we have come out with. And over the top, today, we thought that devices, masks and everything is already there. People are not using those kind of stuff. They are frustrated. But what is the reason of this frustration? Then we came out with a product that can really, first you have to build yourself and you have to be immune yourself. You have to create your own immunity in your body. In this regard, if you see, everybody knows the age-old, remedies that an Ayurvedic remedies are there to protect themselves or to create the immunity. Like, daily morning, you get up, you use the powders like, ashwagandha, or, you'll have ginger powder, or you'll have curcumin and, haldi. Generally, they talk about in, Hindi, haldi, and paspu in Telugu. But it's a laborious kind of stuff. In this busiest life and this pandemic situation, every mindset is being numbed. So getting up in the morning, preparing that particular kashayam or whatever it is there, it's a laborious task for any person who's working professional, or even a household wife who wants to prepare their kids to the school or their husbands to the office, or she has to go for work. It's a laborious task. I got this thought in my mind, and 7 months back, I got infected with pneumonia. Luckily, that was not a COVID, but it's a pneumonia, where my mom used to tell me, like, use this particular, remedy at home, and I used to try different remedies, and there was a product which it came evolved with all the mixture of different ingredients. Then a thought came in, how to give this to all my fellow friends and families to make themselves to protect. Then I started slowly giving this kind of ingredients and this recipe to my friends and families around in US, my household, in my community, who are got affected with certain cough or cold, that kind of stuff. And later I thought in my mind, there is a huge presence of Ayurveda in the world. And let me go back to the honchos in the Ayurveda. And then I approached the Indian Ayurveda doctors. And we got a scientist, Mr. Dr. Bhagwan, who was very much instrumental to encourage us. Mr. Ram Gopal, our advisor, and Mr. Sai Manapragada, who's an entrepreneur and who took this idea into further. And we also have Dr. Ake, who was the man behind this whole formula. The formula which has been given by me, but later that's been improvised by Dr. RK. And Mr. Raghunandan is also here, and Raghunandan was also able to how this product can be manufactured, and what are the things, how much temperature that has to be gone. So this Ayurveda Kashayam, what we made, that was improvised in this product. And we have 9 flavors. There's a regular flavor, which is generally, if you have it, it's just regular Kashayam, what we have it. And we have a pineapple flavor, we have mixed fruit flavor, and we have a mint flavor. The reason we came out with this flavor is generally if you take Kashayam, anybody likes here? Nobody likes. Even myself, I don't like it. But there is a need. If it is adding some flavors to it, it's easily consumable and edible. So that's what the idea came in. And then I approached this honchos in Ayurveda, and they were really helpful to make this formula. And we approached Ayush, Government of India, Department of Ayush, and they have evaluated this product, and it's in review, and they have reviewed this product, and they said, go ahead, you can start manufacturing. And where shall we manufacture? That's one more question. Then the initiatives came. Where should we manufacture this? In India? Yes, Ayurveda started in India. Age-old Indian science. And with the able ideas and initiatives from our Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, Shri Narendra Modi Garu, and his initiatives, Make in India kind of concepts. We NRIs always try to do something back home in India. And that's what made me a little bit inspired to make something in India. Then I came here. And also Amit Shah ji and his initiatives. And not to forget the leader, the dynamic leader, Shri Kishan Reddy Garu, who was always a kind of an armor. You can see the armor figure on this. We can resemble this as the armors who are just fighting, the frontliners, the workers who are there, who are fighting this corona pandemic situation. That's what the armor, what we provided as a main caption on our product. But Mr. Kishan Reddy Garu, whatever the initiations, what he's doing, I think so now he started, giving away the masks from the government side to every common person. And those are the small things that got inspired. And we also got the first product what we started was COVID Safety Key. And we have, the COVID Safety Key is nothing but it's a small device that you can use that device to open the doors, and you can, operate the lift buttons, and you can open the car doors, etc., without touching the surfaces, because there's a lot of contaminated surfaces. So that was the start of the product. And later, looking at this kind of government initiatives and stuff, that was inspired a lot of products that we came in. And this immune booster, coming back to the immune booster drink, this is a regular Kashayam, what we have it, but we made it improvised way. And this is a 60 ml of product that can be consumed 2 times a day, 30 ml and 30 ml. We're also trying to improvise, which can go into directly your pocket or your purse or anywhere, easy to carry. And everybody can use it regularly. And this product, we are also trying to get the initiatives from the government that there are a lot of schemes that government has initiated from central and the state governments. So we are trying to approach all the governments here to make this as a mandatory for the schools kids. In the afternoons, they give the food for the kids. So we want to, request them to have this kind of product given in the afternoons to the kids, so they can also create their immunity. And not only this, for the corporate, I have Mr. Arogya Raju, who has also have a great experience in this manufacture field. And we also have our corporate consultant and an entrepreneur, Mr. Loknath Raju, who is also helping us with the corporate side. So these products can go to each and every offices. Generally in offices, they give the tea and coffee in the middle. So this is the immune boosting drink. They can put it on their desk on the everyday morning that they can use on daily basis. And to the surprise, I have given this thing when this situation came in and tested on few of my people here who are, I don't say that this is a substitute for anything and it can, it's a medicine or something that can get rid of corona, but this is a product. It's a immunity booster shot. It's a regular shot that can create your immunity in your body. That's what we can say. We are not telling that this is a medicine or this is something else, but this is really creates your immunity in your body. And going forward with this kind of stuff, what are the things, other gears that we can try to implement from our LabCube? The travel safety kits. The travel safety kits is one of the product that we are trying to come out with. It's a small bag where recently there are a lot of companies that are the airlines, they're trying to give, international airlines and local airlines, they're trying to give it. But it's little bit, not that to the mark where it's a kind of a pleasing kind of substance. So what we are, which is affordable price, we are trying to give this kind of kits. This kit will be having 2 gloves and we'll be having 2 masks and 1 shield and 2 immunity drinks. And we also have a sanitizer in it and a very easy to carry. And we also have the COVID safety kit. This is the kit, this is the key what we are talking about. And this was also recently launched in the month of June by Dr. Sri Kishan Reddy Garu at the New Delhi. And also this key has been now used by our, I can call him the current president, but the next president is going to come, the new president. But our current president, Trump, also have this key right now. And he has given our kind of, good gesture note to our company, stating that thank you for this kind of gift. For both Melina and Trump has this key. They are using it. And we have this kind of gloves, reusable gloves. And going forward for the school kids, these are the kids, school kids. And if you give this kind of bags, they will just throw it off. But if you try to create certain kind of images of their favorite heroes and stuff, they really love to use it. And there is they'll try to open it and try to, play around with this kind of, things what we put it in the bag. So these are the things what we are trying to also create a kind of awareness. It's not like selling our products or something or trying to give it. And ladies and gentlemen and the press, you can also think about what is the price for this. Can anybody guess what is the price for this? Just a guess. Just a guess. Just a guess. Can anybody can say? Please, sir. Maybe I think so. I told you before. Okay. So I got the questions when I showed this product, right? People said that, oh, is it 150 rupees or 200 rupees or 500 rupees? I said, man, this is just 45 rupees. And it's a very affordable pricing. Every household has to be there. When I call my servant at my home, I told, Amma, idi try cheyi oksari. Enti saru idi? She was asking me. And when I gave it, and she said, "Em sir, inta costly naku istunnaru." Ledamma, idi 45 rupees. Anagane, she was telling like, "Sir, naku oka 10 kavali." For a family kanta. So these are the things like we need to reach out to each and every community person and try to help them in this situation, not to make much money, but to run the company, we need the money. But this kind of products has to reach the market. And going forward, we have come out with a LabCube disinfection floor mat. Maybe everybody saw that. There's a LabCube disinfection floor mat. And there's other products which are being made by different countries. I don't want to take the names of the countries. But let's make the same product in India, not to import or export. Let's make it the same product. And I was very much impressed with my beloved partner, Mr. Raju, who has turned it around here, make in India concept, and he made it in India, in Challapalli here. And we have got this in Boinpalli made, and very affordable pricing. We don't want to make, and this UV, that has a UV lights in it, and whenever a person is entering into his office or anything, he can just stand for 8 to 10 seconds. Immediately he will be disinfected, and he can walk freely. Otherwise, there will be flooring mats, there will be mopping has to happen, everything. So that's what, to avoid those kind of, extra kind of expenses to the company, we also started this kind of manufacturing of floor mats. And there is a disinfection chamber. When you go into airports, maybe there is a scanning done. But here, when you go into the apartment communities, or when you go into gated communities, or when you go into offices, how do you know the person is disinfected? There's the scanners and everything is available. But what we are starting is, we are coming out with a kind of a chamber that can really detect your temperature, and it will disinfect you, then you can walk freely. That is one more thing it's on making right now. And regarding the LabCube Indian food products. So a lot of people are consuming potato chips, soups and noodles. So in noodles also, we got the concept of, Maggi noodles, where you have masalas in it. So what we did is, adding masala, we also added this powder of the same product. So you can add that product, which also enhances your immunity, as well as you can have the taste. So LabCube is also coming on to the food products of potato chips, soups, all dip freely, and immunity noodles. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the things like what we really try to give back to our community in this pandemic situation. Please do not worry about this kind of stains or anything. If your immunity is good, you can get over on this stupid, horrible, I can take any kind of jargon words, I can say that we can overcome this. You have to create the immunity. This is not a medicine, but this is a shot that a LabCube has come out with. I request all the community and the viewers of the media and people here, please use this product. Tell your friends and families, and manufacturing will be started very soon.